Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Sandy, and today's video, I'm just around the house, what I call putzing around. So I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, I'm gonna do a little bit of decorating, and whatever else I might get into. This is just like a typical day around the house for me. So if you'd like to see what I get into, then just keep watching. Now I'm gonna start off by tidying up the kitchen because I did not do that, and I've got a lot of stuff to get put up.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let.
Now, it's been a minute since I've cleaned this thing. This is the little stand that's by the side of my sink where I keep sponges and things like that in it, but it needed a good cleaning, so I'm just using some Lysol kitchen disinfectant to get that cleaned out.
You always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason.
Now, I'm going to keep it 100. The dishwasher is full of clean dishes, and I don't feel like emptying them and putting them away. So I'm washing the few dishes that are in the sink to keep from having to do it right now. I'm lazy today. Besides, if I leave them in there, then Will get them out and put them up for me, and I won't have to do it. It's a game I play.
All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home, yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone, yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about, yeah, you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason.
The grandkids and I made popsicles when they were over last week. That was a fun activity, although I gave them bought popsicles after we made them because they didn't have the patience to wait for them to freeze. And then the next day we ate the ones that we made. So I took some salmon out, and I think that's what's going to be for dinner. I'll probably do that on the grill. Got to figure out what's going to go with that, but that's why that's out. That's got to thaw out. Got this lemonade that's left over. Really don't need to be drinking all this sugar, but I'm going to put it in something smaller because my refrigerator is crowded.
Way, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wrong.
I made this basil, not made it, but I got some basil out of my garden, and I dried it in the oven at 170 degrees for about an hour. That dried it, and then I shredded it or ground it up in my little thing there, and yeah, so I've got fresh ground basil. I've been making a lot of smoothies lately. I've been going to the farm and getting fresh strawberries, and they have been amazing in my frozen smoothies for breakfast. So good, but I gotta get away from those strawberries because the acid is killing me. speaking of acid, I've got this watermelon here that I need to get cut. It's been sitting here for several days and I need to go ahead and get it cut. I usually take all of the meat out of it and put it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator right away and throw the rinds away because I don't have room in my refrigerator for all this. Will is home from the gym right now and he's talking to me, and I'm like that commercial with that man eating the cereal and they're talking to him at work and he doesn't hear him because he's busy eating. That would be me.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. 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 I just can't stop thinking about you.
Little secret about me, I am notorious for sitting mail and papers around. And look at me now, I'm just taking it into my bedroom and sitting it in there. They're gonna be sitting in there too for a day or two. Does anybody else do that? Please let me know that I'm not alone and that I hate mail. Anywho, now I am spraying down the gym bag with some Lysol before putting it in the closet because it was left on the banister of all places. I found this stand here at Ross and it was $13.99 on clearance. I just thought it was really cute. very similar to what I have, but it's a little bit more elevated, which I like because it just gives a more dramatic effect. So I'm gonna give it a try, using it exactly the way I use this piece here. I just love that. That is so nice, so different.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good. I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with the negativity, with that broke mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can I catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world.
And I also thrifted this piece to go here with my tea towels and dish towels on here. So I'm gonna put it by the sink. It was, I think it was a bronze color, and of course I spray painted it. Spray paint is my best friend for real.
Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics.
I love these mirror towels that you get from the Dollar Tree. I like to put them on the counters under a candle or something like that. I just love the look.
My truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets.
Now let's go back in time a few days. I did a little DIY project that I'd never tried before. While it was painful while I did it, it did turn out kind of cute. I had this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree and this gilded that I got from Hobby Lobby. I used a little bit of Mod Podge, put it inside the vase, put the gold gild in there and some black paint, and in a minute you'll see how it turned out. Messy as all get out to do, but I had fun making it.
Pretty brown girl, her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Catch a break. Better way. Oh, working all day. I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
All right, I've got my clean coasters down. I'm putting my pineapple, and here is my finished project. It came out really cute, but when I tell you I made a mess, ooh! All right, enough of the crafting. Now I'm going to get back to my cleaning, and the last thing I need to do is get the floors cleaned. I am sweeping today because for whatever reason, some days I just prefer sweeping over pulling out the vacuum. It's just a hassle sometimes, so it's quicker for me to just grab that broom and get it done.
You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do.
I hope you got some cleaning motivation and inspiration from today's video, and if you did, please don't leave without giving me a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment. It helps my channel so much, and I really would appreciate it. If you're not currently subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate also if you consider hitting that subscribe button before you leave today. And if you are returning family members, thank you so much for stopping back by. I appreciate you so much, and I hope to see each and every one of you on my next one. Bye-bye.